ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the platform Prince TV. If today is your first time of coming across, all you have to do is to subscribe. Make sure you put on your notification bell so that anytime I upload my video, you'll be the first person to be notified. And then know what this video is all about. And then for those ones who already subscribed already, I always say this time without number, respect to you guys. You are the reason why we keep updates every time. Alright, now in this particular video, I just have a little update for you guys coming from IMS about the Ready-to Emergenza. For those ones who have not yet applied for the new formats of the Ready-to Emergenza, there is still time till on the 31st of July. So this is the last week we are going to head in for the application of the Ready-to Emergenza. And then I wish to kind of like still remind those ones who have not still yet applied for it to know that, you know, there is 400 euro out there to receive as a single person. If you are not working, if you are not receiving any benefit from IMS, you can apply this Ready-to Emergenza. For those ones who don't know what Ready-to Emergenza is all about, you can go to the CAF and then request for is that you have to apply for Ready-to Emergenza, provided you are not working, or if you are working as a single person receiving above 400 euro, you cannot apply for it. So now let me just give you guys a little bit article coming from IMS about the last week for people to apply for the Ready-to Emergenza. Emergency income last week to get it. How to do? He said here, we have reached the last week of July, the last week available to be able to submit the application to IMS, the Institute for Social Security, to receive from 400 euro to 840 euros for each family unit relating to the emergency income. So it depends on how much you are, that depends how much you are going to pay to the family. It depends on the quantity, that is the number of people. That is what we call equivalent scale, which I always mention on this platform. Alright, now listen, he said here, we remind you that this question concerns the monthly payment of June, July, August, and September. He said, the emergency income application to be submitted by 31st July 2021. He said, if you haven't done it yet, you need to hurry up. Go to the website of the National Institute for Social Security and submit the application. You will need to enter the dedicated online service after logging in with. You understand? So guys, this is just online process they are bringing about. What I want people to understand is that the last week we are heading, this week we are heading to is the last week which IMS have given the authorization for people to apply for the Ready-to Emergenza. So if you have not yet applied for it, all you have to do is to go to a CAF or Patronato and then apply for these new formats of the Ready-to Emergenza. So that is just it. This is just a reminder to everyone. If you have not applied for the Ready-to Emergenza, have it in mind that it is to expire on the 31st of July 2021. This month we are. It's not like the one they did in the first 3 months where they tried to extend it. So if you are there waiting that maybe you don't have chance today, you go to this place, all those kind of stuff, excuses, thinking that they have to extend it, they will not extend it. This is what they are stating, that this week we are heading to will be the last week which people have the authorization to request for the new formats of the Ready-to Emergenza. So if you have not still yet applied for it, you have to hurry up, as they said already, to apply for the Ready-to Emergenza. Now let's divert to another dimension. Now let's see, because according to Italian government, now the way things are going, they are still saying that they have to still extend the emergency situation until the 31st of December. This is what Mario Draghi government is still a kind of like emphasizing. You understand? Because they are still seeing that things are not still yet balanced the way they ought to be. You understand? So this is what they are now discussing. Now the question here is relating to the emergency income. If they have to kind of like extend the state of emergency, are they going to kind of like bring out another 3 months of October, November and December for the hereditary emergency. This is what we are still going to see here on this particular update. Now listen, he said emergency income, what will happen after September? This is now a question mark. What will now happen after September, the last hereditary emergency which they just approved for 4 months? Now after September, which is the last month of it, what will still happen for the remaining 3 months, which is to be October, November and that of December, if the government have to extend the state of emergency? Now let's see article here and just read a little bit. He said the emergency income continue in the Sustainum Bis Decree provide for 4 months of the subsidy for the months of June, July, August and September 2021. He said a continuation of the 3 REM installments included in the support decree with the same characteristics, identical access requirements, with the only variation of the reference month for family income. Now listen to this part here. He said yeah, but what happens next? Will the emergency income be extended after September? Is a question mark. He said making predictions is always a complex exercise. Let's analyze, however, the latest news on the subject of welfare and government orientation. So guys, you know, this latest news that trying to state here is all about the state of emergency. So now let's just analyze ourselves here, that you know, if it happens to be maybe the Italian government now finally extend the state of emergency until the 31st of December, automatically there might still be another 3 months of hereditary emergency. So guys, it is not stamped and it is not yet approved. They are just seeing it to be that, you know, if they should a kind of like extend the state of emergency till December 31st, there might likely be another hereditary emergency again. So guys, that is just it. Let's see how things goes, because you know, even the hereditary emergency, there are many people who are praying that it should continue, but you have to get it in mind that, you know, it is not good to kind of like be in this situation of state of emergency every time things are not moving. 2020 was just like a waste to almost everybody. So guys, we still have to think of others who are working, you know, to lost job, all those kind of stuff. Hereditary emergency is not the solution to a man's problem. And then they said waiting to give person the job, you know, the belly full, and one way you make with your hand. So guys, we should pray that this state of emergency should kind of like end, so that people go back to standard normal. So that is just it. If you know you have not subscribed to this platform, all you have to do is to subscribe. Make sure you put on your notification bell. Anytime I upload my video, you'll be the first person to be notified, and I know what this video is all about. So I just kind of like try to inform or remind you guys, those ones who have not still yet applied for the hereditary emergency, there is still time until the 31st of this month, being July 2021, to go and then request for the new 4 months of the hereditary emergency. So that is just it. Till next time again, we'll be together. Ciao.